tech choices. Today we are taking a look at the CORSAIR AIR 5400 LX-R RGB iCUE Link Mid-Tower PC case, a premium panoramic chassis built for PC enthusiasts, gamers, and custom builders who want exceptional airflow, clean cable management, and eye-catching RGB lighting. If you're searching for the best airflow PC case, wondering whether the CORSAIR AIR 5400 LX-R RGB is worth it, or asking, is this one of the best panoramic gaming PC cases available right now? This breakdown will help you decide. By the way, I've added a link below where you can check the latest pricing and availability. One of the first things you'll notice is its triple chamber design. What does that actually mean? Instead of placing every component in a single compartment, the case separates major hardware into dedicated chambers. In real-world use, this improves airflow, simplifies cable management, and creates a much cleaner build by hiding power cables and other components from view. The case comes with 3 pre-installed reverse-rotor CORSAIR LX-R RGB fans. Why are reverse-rotor fans important? Unlike standard RGB fans that often require mounting with the less attractive side facing the glass, reverse-rotor fans keep the RGB lighting fully visible while still pulling fresh air into the case. The result is a cleaner-looking build without sacrificing cooling performance. Cooling is another major highlight thanks to the high airflow duct system. What does that mean in everyday use? Air is directed more efficiently across your CPU, graphics card, and other heat-producing components, helping maintain lower operating temperatures during gaming, streaming, and demanding workloads. If this breakdown is helping you, hit like so more people can find it. The case also supports CORSAIR iCUE Link, making cable management much simpler than traditional RGB builds. Instead of running multiple cables to every fan and lighting component, compatible devices can connect through a streamlined system that reduces cable clutter and makes building much easier. One of the most unique features is reverse motherboard support. What does that do? Compatible reverse layout motherboards can position the graphics card and key components differently, giving builders additional flexibility while creating a distinctive showcase PC that stands out from conventional layouts. The panoramic glass design gives you a nearly unobstructed view of your hardware and RGB lighting. Whether you've installed custom liquid cooling, premium graphics cards, or synchronized lighting effects, the wide glass panels let every component become part of the display. Despite its focus on airflow, the AIR 5400 LX-R is also engineered for low noise operation. Efficient airflow means fans don't always need to spin at maximum speed, helping reduce overall system noise while still maintaining excellent cooling performance. The spacious interior also provides plenty of room for modern high-end hardware, making it an excellent choice for powerful gaming PCs, creator workstations, and future hardware upgrades. How does it compare to a traditional mid-tower case? Many standard cases prioritize either appearance or airflow. The AIR 5400 LX-R combines panoramic aesthetics, triple chamber organization, advanced airflow engineering, reverse-rotor RGB fans, and modern cable management into one premium chassis. Is this product really worth buying? If you're looking for a high-end PC case with exceptional airflow, stunning panoramic glass, simplified iCUE Link connectivity, and premium RGB presentation, the CORSAIR AIR 5400 LX-R RGB is an outstanding choice. Is this one of the best options in its category right now? For PC builders who want excellent cooling, modern cable management, and a showcase-worthy design, the CORSAIR AIR 5400 LX-R RGB iCUE Link stands among the best panoramic mid-tower PC cases available today.